na ninawashukuru nyinyi wote wananchi. Mwishowe you discover that we are all one people, and the challenges we face and whatever happens to us happens to all of us as one people. Shida zetu ama our challenges do not distinguish between which part of the country you come from, which tribe you belong to, where do you go to church, and so on and so forth. Ama namna gani? Basi tufuate vile tunaelezwa na viongozi wetu hapa wa kanisa, tupendane, tusidi kuombeana na kukaa pamoja. Mheshimiwa Jango, I have heard.
We just need one presidential candidate. Now this country, by the way, if you remember what Dr. Matiang'I'S did to this country, then you know what I'm talking about. Already in this church, we have a president. In this church. Amen. We have a president. In 2027, August 10th, we have a president. And usiniache mbali sana daktari, hata mimi niko hapo karibu nitakupatia chama. So between now and 2027, we are going to make a very incredible opposition. We are not going to agree for our people to go without health care, without school, with the funny housing schemes. We are not agreeing to this. And if people think that they can peddle lies, we are going to counteract those lies, because that we have the passion to do this, and this is what God has called us to do.